Hey, welcome to Tim's Workshop Live. Hey, I'm going to do something a little different on this recording today since none of the volume seems to be working very good. So I kind of give up on it. But the phone does work and I'm able to download it, so might as well do that. Anyway, welcome to Tim's Workshop Live, Friday, November 2nd. Actually, it's the 3rd. Today's voting day, by the way. The reason I say second is because I've been trying this for 2 days now without any success. So I just tested this and it does work. So we'll go with that. And I'll load it to YouTube and call it live because it is kind of live, kind of. I'll just wait until I hit 1,000 subscribers, then it will definitely be live. So please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Make comments. Hit the notification bell. That way you get the latest and greatest videos from yours truly. Me. Anyway. Hope you all are well and staying safe from this virus thing. We actually have 2 viruses. We have one in our political system. I'm not specifically saying who it is. I think it's a lot more than just a who. I think it's a combination of a lot. Anyway, today's voting day, so get out and vote. I don't care who you're voting for, as long as you vote. That's what matters. That's what this whole thing's about, is voting, okay? So get out there and vote. Hey, if you like my videos, please, like I say, please subscribe. And at the beside the title here, it'll be a little triangle. You hit that and it'll give you my description of the video that you're watching, and it'll also give you my email if you want to make a private comment. You know, you make comments, right, but everybody's going to see them besides. So if you want to leave a private one, hit me up on my email, which is there. Okay, also my PayPal account. If you want to make a donation, I'm all down with that. You know, I'll improve the video for sure. Make more videos. Anyway, I want to thank those of you that have subscribed to my channel and leaving comments. And the comments, when you leave them, it gives me ideas for making more videos, for one, sometimes, you know. So keep them coming. Upcoming videos. Hey, I just got my my diaphragm kit in the mail. It came all the way from Manhattan, New York, Manhattan Island, or whatever you call that place out there in Peninsula, I guess. Anyway, it came from Harvard Marine, not Harvard College, Harvard Marine. They do have a Marine there. Good place for one too, because there's a lot of boats coming in and out of it. So I got it. Just looked. I just opened the package, looked, but I put it back in there because the next video I'm going to open it like I never opened it before. Yeah, right. Anyway, so see, the last one was part 6, so part 7 will be putting the new diaphragm and gaskets on the Mercury Mark 10 outboard. So stay tuned for that. That's coming up. And then just finished painting the house. I got my notes here. That way I don't lose track of what I'm talking about, which is easy for me. So, upcoming videos. Oh, like I said, I just finished painting the house. Man, I used a paint sprayer this time. That thing is cool. I got a Magnum X5, I think it is, and with a spray gun, and it's a airless, and so it has a pump. It's electrical, and it pumps up pressure, and then you just shoot it on, you know. So I don't know how that's airless. I don't know. It's not wireless. You got to plug it in. Anyway, yeah, it worked great. I just got a little bit left. I got some eaves on both ends of the back. The 2x6 rod, only about that far, just not very far. So I cut it, splice it, paint it up, seal it. Never know the difference. Look brand new. I've done it before out front. Longer sections, just in one area, not on the ends of the eaves. It was kind of like a overhang on the front porch there. Yamaha 4-horse winterizing quick carburetor tip. Okay, so that's coming up. A winterizing pressure washer and lawnmower, yard equipment. So, winterize those. Using a plastic welder. I bought a plastic welder from Harbor Freight. It's well, of course everything's backwards here, but anyway, what it says is Chicago Electric Welding plastic welding kit. Comes with the welding soldering type iron thing, little brush, some plastic welding rods, I guess that's what you call it, some mesh, stuff, little thing to put the thing up so you don't burn anything. So that's coming up. I'm going to test that out on some plastic, see how it works. Big series coming up on the Duramax 6.6 liter LB7. I'm going to be buying my injectors from back east, some upgraded, brand new Bosch, not remanufactured. No, these are brand new. Apparently give you more horsepower if you put the chip in, but I'm not doing that. I'm just put them in and running it stock. I asked him if I could do that. Brent back there at Diesel Specialties, Lincoln Diesel Specialty, and he said, "Yeah, that's fine. It'll work fine." So that's coming up, and some of that might be over into 2021. I don't know if all these will get on this year's videos, but we'll see. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on what's going on. I do have a story though. Fishing, crabbing. My Starcraft boat, 17-foot fishing boat, you can stand up in it, nice flat deck, all that. So I took my buddy Mike out fishing, and we went out there coho fishing, and we first got the boat launched up at Everett. I'm only actually a mile from the Sound, but I have to go 10 miles to launch to come back down to where my house is. Because there's no boat launch down here. It'd be nice if there was, but there's not. So anyway, we did. We launched from there, and we went out, dropped the crab pots down by Hat Island up there from Everett, and dropped about 75, 80 feet. Dropped a couple pots down, some chicken in it, tied it, put a weight in the crab pot. If you don't put a weight in the bottom of the crab pot, the strong current will take your pot away, and you'll think somebody stole it, and they didn't steal it. The pot went floating down the Puget Sound. So a buddy of mine told me, no, you got to put some weight in it. So I did, and it works great. I go back, my pots are still there. Haven't had one stolen yet. I probably will, but for now, nope. So we dropped the pots off and went down and put our lines in. We piggybacked on one downrigger because I do have two downriggers, but the one on the right-hand side, it'll hit the prop, until I get a prop guard, put on that kicker motor. So we piggybacked off one downrigger and did that, and we dropped the lines about 40 to 60 feet down. We were in about 250 foot of water, and 40 to 60 foot down, and it was still early in the morning. So we did that. We got 2 salmon on, him and I, one each at the same time. And I was driving the boat, so I said, "You bring yours in first." So he did, and I said, "Well, let's see if my salmon's still on my line or not." And it was. I couldn't believe it. So I reeled mine in. We had our 2 salmon, knocked them out and put them in the in the cooler, my ice chest, and went back, picked up a bunch of crab. He didn't want any crab, and I was like, "You could have half if you want." "No, I don't like crab." "No." "Okay." So he took his salmon home, and we actually cleaned her here, and yeah, coho, my first coho. I mean, he's been out there before, fishing, so that's why I took him. He could tell me how to fish for salmon, so it worked out good. So that's the story. So you like the video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave comments. And if you like, give me a like. Thanks.